morning.
Yo, what's up? Drove 10 miles to a small campsite called Tain Y Coed Farm. Like, you definitely need to come here if you're on this journey. £18 a night on pitch up. Really friendly people here. They own the farm. We're going to do a little walkthrough down here now, and then we're going to travel down to Anglesey after. Yes. So there'll be plenty of things to see. So get ready for the craziest adventure on Tuna Can. So yo, what up everybody? Got my mate Sebastian here. Say what's up, mate?
What's up, mate?
Yeah. Right, he's going to take us around the back now. He's going to show us some, is it air gun?
Air guns.
So some air guns. We're going to have a little go on some air guns.
Hey, you hit it.
Everybody here, we're going to say goodbye and peace out, yeah?
Out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
I got barbecue cheeseburger, double cheeseburger.
Smash cheeseburger.
Barbecue double cheese.
Skin on fries banging.
Yeah.
Country. The most important thing though is how does this smash burger taste?
How was
burger? Good burger sauce. Tastes a bit like a Big Mac.
it? There's a lot of flavours in this. Very good.
I don't know. Amazing.
It's actually really yummy.
It's really good, guys. Really good. Not bad. It does sound like it does sound like good food and stuff. Apart from fruit, all you want to sing road trip that we are on, which we are which are on our road trip location we do that. So you can follow us in the next one, maybe think about it. Not 15 just think it. It's £32. No, honestly,
No, thank you.
Really nice, thank you.
Really good.
Not really nice. That's not really nice.
Right, so considering we cleared the whole plate,
That's something wrong.
or should I say the whole board,
The whole board, trouble.
so we finished the whole thing. Right. I'll tell you what, that's still really good. So I'm going to go with,
I'm still going to go with an 8.
he's going to go with an 8.
I'm gonna give it an 8. I might give it an 8 out, no. I mean, it's alright, but it's like, you can probably cook the burger, it could be a thick pie. You cook the burger just a little bit, so medium rare. Not a medium rare, but you can overcook a burger.
Oh yeah.
Especially a thin pie.
I'm going to give it also an 8.
Yeah. That gives it
Because it was
rating of
quite,
16.
when I bit into it, it's sort of like really full apart. There's like a lot of sauce in it.
There's
Like,
a lot of sauce.
lovely bag, don't get me wrong, but it's full of sauce, so it's all like you bite into it, it's like, all comes out.
It's like they added sauce to it to make up for the taste.
Yeah, but it was really nice, so I would definitely recommend coming in.
No, so, I mean, that's give it a 16 out of 20, so not bad.
Banging.
No.
Quite enjoyed that.
Definitely come here again.
You need to come to this place, honestly. This place here, right? First time here, and the hospitality here is amazing. We've had Andy come out. He's helped us with the van. He's sorted the van out because it's obviously went into limp mode. He has now helped us with that problem. Not even charged us. That's how amazing Wales. I don't think it's Wales. Wherever we are, they're amazing people. And that's their house over there. So that's down there, over there. Here. That is their house, and they are amazing people. Amazing people. So if you're ever up in Wales, or I can't remember what this place is called, but wherever we are. Hi everybody! Hey! Come up here, honestly, come in here. Obviously, yeah, with no showers or something like that. But if you've got your own camper van and you've got your own shower and stuff like that, you can come in here and I'll tell you what, it's quiet, it's amazing, it's dark, it's quiet. It's quiet twice, it's a quiet twice. Again, come to this place, guys. Again as well. Follow us, share us, because we got a lot of amazing stuff to come up. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Woo! Oh, it's another village, look at this! Welcome to Tiny Town. Tiny Town. Maybe the world's smallest village. Oh, pub, look, we went past that one in a row. Looks lovely now. Texaco 127.9, 136. They got a culture one. Mate, look at this, look at this. Pull up here. So it's Tain Y Coed Farm, alright? Tain Y Coed Farm. Tain Y Coed Farm? Tain Y Coed Farm? Somewhere there. I can't really express it. Got a rock. Tain Y Coed. Look what we got here. Got football pitch. Full pitch.
You bring kids here too. They also have kids that live on the farm.
Yeah, so they can always play with them as well. That there's the barbecue houses. It's amazing.
It looks brilliant.
It's awesome in there.
It's like a teepee.
Sick. They got awesome stuff. I swear to God, it's a Bentley Phantom. He did tell me to do it, but I can't remember. It looks like a Bentley Phantom. I think that's what's called.
Ramping. Ready?
Going down. Oi. But this place, like, I'll tell you what, drinking water. Your bins are back there. We're gonna quickly fill up some water.
I'm gonna put some water in my tank so I
Put
can have a
some
shower.
water in.
What's this tree doing? I'll say you can put that.
Tree, right. See you in a minute.